Yeah, hello everybody. Had a belt breakdown on me while I'm here. Had to pull over, side of the road, so you're not gonna be able to hear me too great. So essentially, I don't even know which one this is right here that came off. I just know I need to go find a place that I can hopefully walk to or Uber to so I can get a new belt. It's gonna be a couple $100 to have somebody come out here and do this. I might as well just see if I can do it myself. Like I said, the engine's still hot, so kind of sucks, but it's just and it is what it is situation for me. All right, so the first thing I need to do is get this wrap off, this old belt off. See, it got caught between here as well, so that's not going to be best time getting this thing out. So you can see I got this stuff off over here on the side. So now I just gotta make my way in here. See, it's tight. So I'm gonna try to go with this big one first. Try to do this one over here. Go around that first. Then come around this. You have this right here. Let's come up over the back. Come on this side. Then come up here. Then over here. That's one right here that goes down, and then over there on the other side. Take it up to this side. You have this that goes around there. Come down here. Flip that side and then go back around the big one. So from here I'm gonna try to do the big one first. Try to do the big one first. Try to do this pulley over here last, because you know this is the only thing that can be actually, this piece is the only one that can actually be pulled and moved. So try to get at a shot, see how it goes. So I wasn't able to really follow how everybody else had got their fan over this, their belt over the fan, like through it. I heard some people say go through this way. Some people was talking about just go through here. But I always had the problem. I had a problem trying to get this belt like actually over it. So what I ended up doing is just basically putting the belt over the fan blades. Like I started at the top, and then I started rotating it to get all the fan, you know, I started rotating it, the fan at once, and then try to keep going over every single blade until I was able to get over that piece right there. You know what I'm saying? That's how I was able to get this through. So now I can go ahead and actually start to put this thing up here. Over here. Now, I ain't 100% about the diagram with this, but I don't think I'm off too far. If you see the grooves, that means this is supposed to go on the inside. When you don't see the grooves, it goes on the outside, like this. You don't see grooves here, but you see grooves here. That means the grooves go on the inside, and this piece go on the outside. As you can see, this is tight, so I'm trying to give you the best I possibly can, especially trying to do this with one hand. kind of easy, but the other side, gotta go back on the other side. But back on this side, yeah, I'm missing something somewhere. Alright, so I knew I was doing something wrong on this side, but essentially, instead of having this come down and then up and then coming down here and having that go down straight, what I need for this to do is to take this down, maybe not down, shit, move this up a little bit. Or maybe I should move it back. Move it back a little bit. This side. Actually, more slack on this side. Move this side down, that over. Hey. And I had that come down, and then this come down that way. Now that I finally got that squared away, I just need to go ahead and put some slack over here. So you put that down. Get it some slack so I can get this thing over. I think I got it. On the other side. You can see it's a little off on this right here. And there we have it. Everything's good to go. And I finished this just in time to get stuck in traffic. That is how you put on a turpentine belt. At least I still got some hours. That's how you put on a turpentine belt on a DD13, or in this case, Freightliner. And I'll have more repairs as obviously this freaking truck is giving them to me. I'll go ahead and share them.